Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course and this part 162 send OTP using email in Laravel 11 and this part 1. This is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL and this is already run localhost PSP my admin. Inside this real estate underscore Laravel underscore 11, this is my database name and this database is already implementation. This is .env file. Inside this is a implementation this name. Let's run this my project. This my project is available. This project is available my gem folder inside this htdoc directory and this is a project. This project directory inside means command prompt open means cmd open this project directory inside. Let's run php artisan server and enter. Please wait, this command in run. Successfully run. This URL is a copy and hit this browser. Successfully working fine. Let's say /admin login. This /admin login. Inside this is a user table is available. Click this user. This table name is a user. This is a user is a available. Inside this list of user is a available. Good working. And this first user is a login. Admin @gmail.com. Password is a 123456789 and click this login and not now. Successfully login. Good working. Let's inside this is a new menu is a implementation OTP send. Email OTP send. This is a new menu is a implement. Inside this is a implementation. First of all, this sidebar open. Resource view admin body and this is a sidebar. This is a sidebar is available. This main. This is a main. Inside this is available dashboard. Let's second this is a user role wise is a user inside this is available. The same name is a copy. This same name is a copy and paste here and this is a email OTP. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully email OTP. This is a implementation this menu. Admin email OTP same name. This is a URL is a created. Save file. Let's refresh this page and this click this email OTP. Inside this is the admin email OTP. This is a inside this is a available admin email OTP. Please wait, this click this admin email OTP successfully available. The same URL means route means available web.php file. Let's open this is a route inside this is available web.php file is open. Inside this is a admin inside. Let's click this email OTP. This is a route start. Let's first of all route is a get. This is a route is a get method is a used. Inside this is available a tag means get method and the same URL is a copy and paste here. Inside this paste and this is a new controller is a create. Controller name is a email OTP controller. Email OTP controller same name is a controller class. This email OTP controller class and this is a inside this function same name is a function and this is a close. Successfully this is a write down. Let's same name copy and inside this is a use app http controller and paste here. This is a paste email OTP. This good working. Let's copy this name inside this include app http controller and this is inside this new controller is a create email OTP controller new controller and PSP successfully created. This is a good working. Let's email this is same name is a copy and paste here. Inside this same name is a copy and paste here and this is a paste. inside the same name copy, and this is the name is a sense. Good working. The successfully controller is a create. This is a email OTP controller. Is this controller inside successfully create. Let's public function public function. This function name, this controller is successfully created, but function name is this function name. Same name is copy and paste here. Request $request echo www.errorsolutioncode.com and I save file, and successfully this refresh this page, and this is a paste here. This is a my name is the official website errorsolutioncode.com, and this is a we are here to help 24/7. I am always available, WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. And this is a my channel, YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow this all social media link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. And successfully working fine. And this is a run, return, view inside. First of all, this is the admin folder is available. View inside is successfully available, and dot email underscore OTP new folder is a create. This admin folder is already created, but this folder is not available. Let's create. This is a new folder. Successfully folder is a created. Good working. Inside this is a list file is a create. This is a list अथवा add file is a created. Let's same name is a copy, and inside this is a paste. Click this new file is a create add blade PSP. Successfully this is a created. Good working. Let's hi save file and refresh this page. Successfully show this is a hi. Good working. Let's inside this is available city inside this list is a inside the same name is a list, same name is a copy, not a copy, and this is a add control A copy, and this is a remove and paste here, and this successfully available, and this is an email OTP send. This is an email OTP send, and this is a name is a send. This name is a email OTP. Set file. Let's save file and refresh this page. Successfully available, but this is a name is a set. Click this email OTP. Successfully working fine, but this is a name is a not a good, but step by step all names and city, add city name, and this is a different name is a set. Let's first of all this is a email, this is a email OTP save file. Share copy and paste here, and this is a paste here. Successfully paste and refresh this browser, and this is a successfully add email OTP. This name is a send. This is an email name. This is a verifying. This remove URL is this is not a use. Second video is a use. This video is a not a use. Enter email ID. This email ID inside this name is a email. In this is the name is a sense email ID. Email ID enter. Enter email ID, and submit. This back button is a reset button. Same here remove, and this is a reset button as it is not a reset. Successfully reset set. Let's refresh this page and click the same reset copy, and inside this is a URL and paste here. Successfully paste. Let's refresh this page, and this is a reset. Click this reset. Successfully reset. Let's inside this email implementation, the submit, and this is a reset. This is a successfully reset. Good working. This is a email. The tag means available email tag, not a other tag. This is a email tag is a implementation means type. Please write down step by step this file, not a missing other. Let's refresh this page, and this reset successfully reset is a working fine. Let's inside this email is a please fill this email, and this submit, and this is a please fill this request. This is a compulsory is a request. This is the email, this is remove, and this is a submit, successfully enter email id. This is @gmail.com, and this is a successfully find. This is a successfully find. This is a good, and this is a error is a show, but this is a email is a submit. First of all, this is a working fine. Same URL, this action URL in this is a close this, and same here copy, and this slash is a remove. This is a fine, good, working. Write down same URL is a copy, web.php open, inside this is a route post. This is a post method I used, but this is a post available. This post is a available. This method same name is a post, and this is a paste here, same name is a paste. Inside this name copy and paste here. This is a this name is a email OTP controller class, and this is a email OTP send and save file, successfully send OTP save file. Let's copy this name, copy, and this is a public function and paste here, and this is a request $request, and this is a dd $request all, save file, successfully save file, good, working. This is a file is a good, and but inside this is available, enter name. This is the name is available. Let's refresh this page, and the submit. This is a submit, and this is a working fine. This is a available. This is a email is a available, good, working. This email ID is a OTP send, but this is a next video, and this is a send OTP successfully save file, and refresh this page and write down this is a all send OTP. This is a good. Inside this email ID, inside the any email ID import and OTP send. This is any email ID enter in this OTP, otherwise mail all set, successfully set this OTP, good, working. This video is done. Next video is email OTP send. This is a part is a one is a done. Part 2 is a pending. This is a part 2 is a pending. This part 1 is a done. This video is a done. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Write down this is a all. Thank you.